This makes a delicious and beautiful sauce that is good for fish, perfect for salmon, chicken, grilled meats and vegetables. 6 serving 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 red bell pepper, stemmed, seeded and chopped, 1 small onion, chopped, 1/2 the amount of a large one, 3 small garlic cloves, 3/4 teaspoons salt, 3/8 teaspoon pepper, preferably fresh ground, 3 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped, 3 teaspoons makes 1 tablespoon. Instructions: 1. Heat the oil in a skillet over medium heat. 2. Add the bell peppers, onions, garlic, salt and pepper and cook, stirring often, until the onions are golden brown, around 15 minutes. 3. Put these cooked ingredients in a food processor and puree. Pour into a serving bowl. 4. Stir in the parsley and, if needed, season with more salt and pepper to taste. Here's a great way to use this sauce. This is real simple and delicious. Just flatten out some plastic wrap-covered chicken breasts, using as mallet. You want them to be about 3/8 inch thick. Now, heat up some olive oil over medium heat in a skillet. I like to use extra virgin olive oil, but regular olive oil will do and is less expensive. The choice is yours. Now place the flattened chicken pieces into the skillet to cook and sprinkle the chicken with a little garlic, salt and pepper. When the first side is lightly brown, turn them over to brown the other side, immediately smothering the chicken pieces with the bell pepper sauce. Now finish cooking them. Please do not overcook the chicken. It will come out dry. Remove the chicken and place it in a serving plate and garnish with a little parsley. Now you have yourself a first-class and delicious dish. Enjoy! If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day!